Kajaintia Students Union JSU Central Body ini adalah hir ko cha JNV Rymbai is Jaintia Hill District. Hadin wiyo ujor na kibay ki pa kamju na kiwaya kamat ka imlang saalang. Wa embon ngut ki khynnah wiyo yay prai ipenhir de wasuba. To wasi baam iwada jia na duk arpaw artrik uni ubanay November. Hey wada emle ki wapoy cha PHC Rymbai. The emlang le hakani kasngi wa food safety officer ka is Giant Hill District Umar Deng Ding Do. Hey wala chem wa kathaw chat kathaw ibam wa kathaw bam ki khynnah to iwa ja clear bha. Hapo kathaw chat the chem wa ki wa chat mem sap mas sap apron wa ki vide yo khut iru kom pynkhreh bam. Ki pynkhreh le to ki wa em pen hajan kathaw bam we ka le to ka wa kala rongso ka wombiang wo pen em kam.ในเลี้ยงอุคณะวลายปุเรดองวดเอ็มลีพาคนเดงุดกิคณะกัดเตกิวมเอ็มวันสกุรในดาววยอกจุดกีให้วดุนในกสงีเดเอ็มปลัดอาร์พางุดกิววยอกจุดให้ปอร์สเต็มโยปันติกนาเยนี่กสัยเดลายก็ชรมบาย PHC ให้ว่าอุดอกตอร์เดปันติกนาวยยวเอ็มกิวยอยปลายเป็นเฮร์ว่ามันในดาวเลอิบามให้ยะโตวกยุงสกุรวทเมกันนี่ก JNV Rymbai ก็วดังชนะกัดแต่kasing de chem go wa hapo ka phase a ko wada mang tangka san phau klur ikre wada dep daman go kam wa khandi phausan percent tangwa mpu em tan boarding we tan ka phase b won ka waman ar phau klur de chem wa ikre wada pendep man ko so phau percent don hi hei wa katarik wa pendep kre man go hau april ar hajar phonruในเรื่อง principal กับ JNV ดองวดปังเคระวกันเรียชากยุงสกูร์วัฒนเมฮับปอขัดสันสงีวรอกิวสะหากันดิกสกูร์เดเอ็มกีคำว่าอาร์สปาตัม
39 only. They only because they are sick. And how many sick currently in campus?
Currently in morning, they around 20 of them are sick.
20 of them are sick. Do you know why you're getting sick?
I don't know about that, sir.
A sister in charge, he take you to the PHC?
Yeah, they take all the students, those who are sick right now in the morning, take them to the PHC.
And that means total boys and girls, right? Sick.
Yeah, boys also there, but boys not that much.
Girls more.
Girls.
Okay.
And boys also they don't have no, but girls only. No sir, girls only they have that problem. Boys no one. Then I suspected that that saline, no? I think like that. If food poisoning is there, all then they will get sick, no? Even boys also. I think like that.
So up to now, that means no boys are sick.
No boys.
No boys have diarrhea.
Only top and cold is there, no diarrhea.
But as per the records we have checked there in PHC, you can see that there are some number of boys who are sick.
What today?
Yes, on Sunday. Sunday. Yes, it's Saturday night, I think.
Saturday night.
That around 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. We went to the dispensary with around 8 or 9 students.
Today now?
Not today, on Sunday. Sunday 12 p.m. in the night.
We didn't go hospital.
Because she
I
hear us.
think parents they took their like maybe.
But around 5 p.m., 6 p.m. That time also.
Boys or girls are maybe girls, no sir. Boys I don't think so. Girls only.
Girls, yes.
Girls only. Yeah, mostly it's affected to girls only.
But then, madam, okay, I'll ask you one question. Do you think that mess hall is healthy as a you are a medical practitioner, you are a nurse, right, madam?
Sir, we are not getting enough water. Okay, many times we wrote letter also. When the girls hostel also now we are not getting enough water. That we are using that one, that groundwater.
Yeah, borewell pipe water.
It's fully red in color. But we are not using that one. For drinking purpose though we used to use this RO water.
But same water only, but clear.
No, this one is by one only, by one water. This one is by water, by one, not groundwater. Then we are giving them for drinking purpose. And for washing clothes and all, we are buying another water in this house, this home, we are buying that one. Then that one was even they are using for toilet purpose.
For beating, high belief.
That one one. So better is that please you collect correct information from student.
That's what we are collecting correct information. That's why we
Yeah, we
are
are staff of
from that
this
time.
school now.
That's what.
You cannot means I'm not saying I'm telling lie. I'm not saying like that. Okay, you can collect correct information from student only, sir.
That's why we are here from afternoon till evening right now. Also, we are going to collect information only. So it's not.